Hello, and welcome back to my channel. What do you need to do to make your DJI Mini 3 Pro drone follow you? After you have lifted the drone into the air and started recording, activate the tracking of the subject, person or car, by dragging your finger on the console screen over it. At the bottom, a small window will appear where you need to check Active Track. The Go button will appear. After you press this button, the drone will follow you wherever you go and will even avoid obstacles in your way.